Hello to all and welcome to Knowledge Hub 1842. As told in previous videos that on this channel you will get videos related to various subjects like mathematics, science, social science, etc. But especially mathematics and science. So my today's topic is from mathematics, and why I have chosen this topic? Because these types of questions are asked in our society. So you may call it a traditional question, and I have seen that people use hit and trial method for solving such questions. But today I will give you a logical solution for this, as I think that hit and trial is a very long and confusing tool. So let us reveal the topic, but again before revealing I would like to request you that if you find our video informative, then please like our video, and for more such upcoming videos please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. So let us see the question. So the question is that there are three temples: temple A, temple B, and temple C. Okay, so these are three temples, and a person went to these three temples one by one, like first to temple A, then to temple B, and then to temple C. And he had carried some money, say rupees X, from home. So when he entered temple A, the money he had magically got doubled. So he offered 1000 rupees in this temple, and with left money he entered this one, and again the money he had got doubled. So he again offered 1000 rupees here, and again after completing this he entered this temple, and again he the money got doubled, and again he offered 1000 rupees at this temple. But when he came out of this temple, he found that he was left with rupees 0. So the question is that what is the value of X? Means how much money did he take from the home? So let us solve today's question. But before solving, I would like to show you some symbols which will help us later in solving the question. So first of all, the symbol CA will represent the money carried in either of the temples, inside either of the temples. Then the symbol BC will represent the times the money grew in the temples, and symbol O will represent the money offered in the temple, and L will represent the money with which the person moved to next place, or the money left after this offering the money. So let us solve the question. Now let us start from temple A. So temple A, here the value of CA will be X, as he entered with rupees X. Then the value of BC, now we know that money he had got doubled will be double of this, which will be 2 into X, which is equal to 2X. Okay, then the value of O will be, he offered rupees 1000, so it will be 1000. Okay, then the value of L will be the amount of money he had minus the amount of money he offered. So 2x minus 1000. Okay. So now we know that the money which is left here will be carried to the next temple. So the value of L in temple A will be the value of CA in temple B. So let us move to temple B. In temple B, the value of CA will be 2x minus 1000, and then the value of BC, as we know the money double, will be double of this. So it will be double of 2x minus 1000, which is equal to, now let us solve this expression. So 2 into 2x is equal to 4x, and 2 into minus 1000 is equal to minus 2000. Now the value of O will again be, as he offered 1000 rupees, be 1000, and then the value of L will be, we will find it by subtracting this from this, so it will be 4x minus 2000 minus 1000. Okay, so now we know that both the signs are same here, so they both will be added, which is equal to 4x minus 3000. Okay, now again the money which is left here will be carried to next temple. So L here will again be the CA of temple C. Okay, so now I hope that you are clear with this, so I am going to close this. So now at temple C. Now at temple C, the value of CA, as I have told you, will be 4x minus 3000. Then the value of BC will again be double of this, as the money got doubled there. So it will be 2 into 4x minus 3000. Okay, then the value of O will again be 1000, and then L will again now I think that we should solve this equation first before writing this. Sorry, I forgot it. So now let us solve this equation for ease. So it will be 2 into 4x is equal to 8x. Then 2 into minus 3000 is equal to minus 6000. And again the money offered will be 1000, as I previously told. And then L we will find after subtracting this from this. So 8x minus 6000 minus 1000 is the value of L. So which is equal to, as here both the signs are again same, so it the both will be added, so it will be 8x minus 7000. Okay, now we are told that when he came out of this temple he was left with rupees 0. So if it is true, then it means that this expression or 8x minus 7000 should be equal to 0. Okay, so now I hope that you are clear with this also. So now this means that 8x minus 7000 is equal to 0. Now this is an equation. Now let us solve this equation. Okay, so for solving we will add 7000 to both the sides, and as we know that there will be no change in the equation by doing this. So 8x, so which implies 8x minus 7000 plus 7000 will be equal to 0 plus 7000. Now as we know that 0 has no value, so it will be 7000. So now this negative 7000 will be cancelled by positive 7000, so which implies 8x is equal to 7000. Now if 8x is equal to 7000, then x should be equal to 7000 divided by 8. So now let us solve this. So we cannot divide 7 by 8, so we will divide 70 by 8. So it will be 8 8s are 64, so 8 8s are 64. Now 64 subtracted from 70 will be 6, so we got 60 here and 6 is left here, and 0 1 0 is added, so it will be 60. So now 8 7s are 56, so 8 is 64, which is more than 60, so 8 7s are 56. Okay, now after subtracting 56 from 60 we will get 4, so here it will become 40, so 8 5s are 40. Okay, so this whole got cancelled by this, and x is equal to 875 rupees. Okay, this means that he carried rupees 875 from home. So now for let us check for confirmation that whether this is true or not. So now if the value the value of x is really 875, so if we solve this question according to the rules, then at the last the money he had should be 0, the amount should be 0. Okay, so now suppose that he carried 875 rupees from home, so after entering this temple the money got double, so the double of 875 is 1750. Okay, 1750. Okay, so out of that he offered 1000 rupees here, so the after subtracting 1000 from 1750, the amount left will be 750. Okay, and with 750 rupees he will enter temple B. Then he entered temple B, so money here again got double, so the double of 750 is 1500. Okay, so again he offered 1000 rupees here, and 500 will be left out of 1500, and 500 will be left, and with 500 rupees he will enter this temple, and the money will again become doubled. So the double of 500 is 1000, so he offered 1000, so he is left obviously he will be left with no money. Okay, So which means that we have got correct answer. So I hope that after watching this video you are clear with this question. Thank you.